What's going on, guys? Your boy S4 James. I'm back with another video. If you watched my last video, it was on the unboxing of the Westliner mats. Now what we're about to get into is the install, and this is courtesy of Mr. TrackSlayers. He's right over here. Actually, if you can find him. He's courtesy of him allowing us to do a whole install on his Tesla Model Y. Oh, damn, that scared me. All right, so let's get into it. Most of the front, I assume, right?
That's the front, baby.
There's the front. So that's going to go over here. And I got this old one. Is there anything in there already?
Nothing there.
So it just goes right on in.
Yo, you know what? I'll take that one.
Yeah.
Give me that one.
This is nice.
I think if he's going to be so gracious and kind to y'all, he's going to do a giveaway. Maybe. I don't know. It's up to him. It's his channel.
You know, we may do a giveaway with the Westliner product.
But I'm keeping that front. So.
The front's been spoken for, guys. So that was the front. That's the front of it, right? Yeah, for the front.
Yeah.
And then the second piece of it. All right.
Grind it in.
The next piece we got. I wonder what side this was again.
They send us directions?
No. No directions.
What?
Let's go to the next piece. Go to the next piece.
That's the back.
Okay, yeah, this is the Yeah,
baby.
this is for the back. All right. Backside, guys, backside.
Now, I have the OEM Tesla mats that were an additional option. Do you want to compare them?
Oh, yeah, for sure. Definitely compare them. My glasses.
The material's nice, guys. I like the material. It's, you know.
Oh, wow.
It's ribbed.
It's kind of pretty nice.
It kind of makes me want to rub my face on it, even though it's a floor mat. I guess there's never been. Those are the all weathers.
So this is the all weather check, like basically a weather check.
They're nice.
Yeah. That makes sense. All right, let's get to the next part of it. Putting the Westliner mats in.
That's crazy that those
look a little bigger, right?
Oh, you know what?
Oh, there's a little piece down here. Oh Lord!
Such a nice day out.
That's right.
Yeah, she afraid of spiders.
So you're gonna laugh. I put my hand on it. I said, why can I get this off?
Oh, was it sticky?
Yeah, it's still sticky.
Got that cream, bro. It's sticky cream.
Oh, wow.
What's that?
So basically,
What's up?
it's like you said, it goes up to the back wall of it.
Yeah.
Lines up right there. That's pretty nice.
I like that.
That's definitely nice.
It is nice.
Definitely. Did my thing just pop out? It did. Oh well. Anyway, I'll show you guys afterwards once I'm done everything. Install is just straightforward, guys. Like, it's pull the mat out, put the mat in.
Oh shit, you got locked out, bro.
Oh,
try and open it. Nah, nope. Video. Oh, okay. I was gonna say video over. We can't. How's it feel in your hand?
It's very pretty sturdy.
Oh, pause. What?
This is the back mat, so.
Back mat.
Yeah, it's all of them, huh? So, I'm thinking so, guys. I'm thinking so. This might be all of it, because
those are Tesla mats.
This is the Tesla mats, but I don't know.
Got to go in there. Got to go there. Let's see.
Let's see. That's the back mat. That has to flatten itself out because it's been in the package still. Well, guys, we're figuring out the front and backs of these.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, you just gotta adjust it.
I feel like I gotta tuck it. Oh, you know what? You know what? Because this wraps around, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That wraps around. Okay, but then this has to get down here and go underneath.
I'm getting all the angles for you.
That's on the wall. Cool. But, you know what? Now I gotta go to the back.
I don't want to talk to it.
Basically. All right, so that makes sense.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you so much. All right, that makes sense. So that's kind of cool, guys. If you just look here. Wow, I thought I was short.
Oh, she's tiny, bro.
So this goes up here. Okay, that makes sense because imagine if it rains or snows, you got dirt on your feet, and you kick it up on this little sidewall right here. Makes sense. Okay.
Yeah, I would say I'm not. I don't mean quality, but like the feel. I'm just very partial to the Tesla feel. It's almost like Apple style feeling of the material, but it's so thin, and it doesn't really cup anything. Like it just looks good. It is nice though. They are all weather mats. But if you're like in the elements, this might be your go-to.
Yeah, it keeps your interior definitely clean.
Because you got full coverage.
Literally all around coverage.
And it's thick.
Thick material. Like you can.
There's some heavy duty stuff. Yeah, like.
Your dogs can definitely jump on this and scratch it around, you know?
What do you think? What are your thoughts?
I like the quality. I feel like if I spilled like a protein shake on this, it'd be all right. No protein shake thick. Anything with milk based.
Anything, you would say anything cream like?
Cream like, gelatinous like.
Yeah, anything gelatinous, creamy. Like almost like tapioca.
Oh, God. Okay, so yeah, that makes sense. For this, shout out to Westliners.
Very nice. I would say Westliners, you did a superb job. We're gonna pull this.
God, I hit my mic.
Watch your rock.
After you, my lord.
Oh, thank you so much. All right, so we're on to the passenger side now. Oh, I feel like I got to put the seats all the way back on this one. Yeah, this makes sense.
You just put that on the roof. Just turn it upside down.
Put it on the roof.
Yeah, upside down.
There must have been some short people in this vehicle.
You don't talk to her. I don't want to talk to her.
So
do this again.
Yeah, we got a bent. All right, please bend. Because it goes to the wall.
To the windows. To the wall. Time for some complimentary TrackSlayers angles. Here we go.
Full on angles.
Sorry, guys. The mic is not the mic. The tripod is kind of.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Care if I put this in 0.5?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, much better. There we go. Y'all come over for a fire pit night, dude.
That'd be great.
Grill on here, get some Wagyu tacos.
That'd be good.
Some venison tacos.
I haven't had venison in a while.
These are cool. Whoever is going to win these on your channel, what do they have to do to win these? Just subscribe to you and Westliner?
So what you guys have to do is, if I'm gonna give these away, you gotta subscribe to Westliner. You gotta subscribe to TrackSlayers.
Oh shit!
Then you have to like and comment and subscribe to my video as well.
Yeah.
We can't just make it that easy now. You know, this is a three-man thing. You know, we had TrackSlayers over here working with me, myself, and then Westliner provides us the product.
Yep, this has been very strenuous for me.
So that's definitely how we would go about giving these away. And then we'll just do like a little random name pull out the hat. I'm not putting all you guys' name in the hat. I'm literally just gonna, get a thing to generate it.
You can do a comment generator. That's what I do.
Yeah, do a comment generator. So that's what you guys gotta like and comment.
Comment on the video. You can comment anything. Ham sandwich.
Anything. And you can be talking about turkey, venison. I don't care. Westliner. You can put Westliner in there. Anything to get these guys commenting. It's definitely a good one. But
anything else? What's left?
I didn't say anything is left. No, I think that's the front. We're just gonna give them a full tour around.
That big old rear.
Yeah, the big rear.
That big old rear.
That one, and then underneath of it would be the.
You could sleep on that. That's like the
other basic one. That's underneath, kind of like the front, but it's for the rear trunk, right?
Yeah, it's for the trunk within the trunk.
So let's trunk within the rear.
This is gonna be the best floor mat video ever. Oh, look at them angles.
See the rear, and then look at this. Like, what's nice about this is that TrackSlayers pointed this out. He pointed this out. It goes up the back end right here. You ever get people walk in, they kick their feet back here.
Them walls.
The wall, yeah, the back wall right here.
Get all up in them walls.
And then here's the front. The front, that's just, like I said, the side walls again.
The front's got them walls too. Get all up in them walls.
Up in the walls, guys, all up in the walls. And then the cups are right around here. So overall, I think these guys are a 10 out of 10. If you don't want the Tesla OEM mats, they're a magical button.
It's in the app on the phone. You want to show them?
Yeah. Magical button.
Get on over here. Check this out. But it's not a power front, it's manual, so you gotta pick it up. It's got hydraulic struts on it though. Gas struts.
And then this is for the front, guys. This is nice. It just drops right in. Easy install. Honestly, this is like a very easy install together. I will say the only time you might have a little trouble is probably fighting with these mats up here, because when they come into the package, they are like creased in, and you gotta basically punch them. I don't mean like dead ass punch them, but like, you know, punch them. But yeah, no, this is the whole thing. Westliner, you guys did your thing. I like the quality.
Yeah, it's thick.
Recommend. Yeah, it's thick. Definitely, like, compared to like the OEMs.
What's the MSRP on these?
The MSRP is to be either $249, $279. But if you check my last video, these guys have the price on there for you. And you got a link or something you're dropping this? Yeah, so the link for this description is going to be in my description, or I might put it somewhere up here so you can click on there as well. But that's going to be in the description as well, along with Westliner's information, TrackSlayers information, my information, not our addresses, Westliner's addresses, but not ours. Because yeah, we wouldn't want you guys just showing up here. That'd be kind of crazy work. Like, subscribe, drop a comment. Is there something else you want to know about these mats? Shout out to Westliner for allowing us to here put the mats in, and then courtesy of Mr. TrackSlayers himself, allowed us to use this vehicle to put these in.
No problem. I think the at that price point, if you're gonna buy these versus the Tesla mats, I think you're probably, I don't know. It depends. That Model Y doesn't get heavy use, so I would probably, just because I like how these look better, like the OEM Tesla all-weather mats, but I actually think the Westliner is a better deal because you got more coverage, more protection, they're thicker. Yeah, they're not like the style I want, but I mean, you want clean clean carpets, or you know, you got to pick and choose sometimes. So I think it's something to consider, you know what I mean?
Definitely something to consider.
It's just my thought.
Definitely something to consider.
I think these are an improvement on the Tesla mats. When the Tesla mats are $250, so
$250 versus basically on the same price range. I think that makes sense. And they also make these for Model Ys and Model 3s. At first we thought we had the Model 3s, but it's all Model Ys.
Yeah.
But yeah, no.
I think these were these for the Model Y or for the 3 and the Y?
Model Y.
These are okay. These aren't for the 3.
This is for the Model Y.
Okay.
So it's all supposed to just dump right in.
Gotcha.
So I think this is pretty good. And then they come with little clips too.
Yeah, what are those for?
I think these go. They're thin, so you know.
Oh, they probably clip to the seat.
Yeah, clip to the seat and everything like that. So yeah, get some clips too, guys. I think that's pretty good. Well, yeah, guys. Thanks for watching our install and review. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys again.